Hey guys, welcome to Acne Clear Chef. Thomas Grabowski here, and hoping you're having a wonderful day. And today I just want to jump on and talk a little bit about what the Acne Clear Chef and what I'm trying to get out of it, and not really what to get out of it, but what it's all about and why I'm so excited about, and what I want to look forward to whenever I post some new content, or I make a blog post, or I post a new video, like what I'm trying to get out of it. So this might not be posted online. This might just be for me personally, but here it goes. So the Acne Clear Chef is all about people getting excited about real whole foods. I really want to emphasize this because when you start realizing and making the connection that what you eat determines how you look and feel, um, what what you eat determines how you look and feel, you begin to create this connection that what you put in your body is going to help how you look and how you feel. And then you realize, wow, eating real whole foods, eating organic whole foods is good for me. It's nourishing, it's energizing, and it's exciting. And it's exciting. That's the most exciting part. This excites me. It may not excite you, but it excites me, and I'm hoping to share my excitement with other people because, like, these foods can help you with your skin, and this is a beautiful thing. This is the beautiful thing. When you eat healthy, it's going to help with the appearance of your skin. It's going to help with how you look, how you feel. Like, I have no acne on my skin whatsoever, and I have some scarring, but the thing is, I know how the scarring is going to be a completely different topic because that's something else to talk about, and that's something you need to focus on last if you do have scars. How to clear up acne scars, what I use and how to help your skin. And I can actually help you use certain products to help you with that. Which I'm more than happy to share. That's probably what I'm going to be doing, selling some of the products, but predominantly what I'm going to be doing is helping people clear up their skin using real whole foods. And I really want to do that. It's something I need to do. It's not something that I want to, it's something I need to do because I get so excited whenever I cook a meal for myself. I get so excited because I know, like, this is what I'm meant to do. I'm meant to show people how to clear up their skin using real whole food recipe. I know this is what I'm meant to do. This is my destiny. This is my purpose in life. I'm supposed to help people. I'm supposed to help people clear up their skin because I know how much of an impact food can play on your health and your well-being. And what you can do about it, what you can do with your health, how to eat healthy. And it's a very, very simple process. I'm gonna actually have a video explaining how to make a healthy meal. And I think if I make this video, it's actually going to clarify a lot of things about how to portion your plates and how to eat healthy. And then after you figured out the basics, so it's going to be basics of how to eat healthy, just a very, very general blueprint. They're like, hey, half your plate of non-starchy vegetables, a quarter of your plate of starches, and another quarter of your plate of a high-quality protein. So you can use like salmon, chicken, fish. There's different kinds of protein sources that you can use, and then there's different foods that you can add into your diet, like hummus and crackers, or vegetables, hummus and vegetables, ideally high quality fats, eating kind of like a Mediterranean style diet, but not quite, with a little bit of flexibility. Really figuring out foods, the benefits of fasting, incorporating the benefits of fasting, how fasting can actually help heal and accelerate your skin. And I know this from experience. Like, I know a lot of people, but well, where's the science? Is because I've tried a lot of these things. I've tried it with myself. See, that's the beautiful thing about like health and eating, is that you can experiment with different foods and different protocols and see how these protocols work for you. Just because one protocol works for one person doesn't mean it's going to work for everybody, right? And a lot of people say that, oh, I know research and science, blah blah blah. It's not for everybody. Like, these things are for different people. So some things may work for you, but other things might not work for you. So it really depends on your body type and how well you digest certain foods. So everybody's very different, very unique. So if I eat salmon, steak, and avocados, doesn't mean that salmon, steak, and avocados may be the right food for you, but it's up to you to determine which foods are best for you. And that's really the name of the game here. It's really about finding out which foods work best for you and foods that you think are tasty, but at the same time are foods that are also very nourishing for you. So nourishing foods and tasty foods is what I would say is an acne clear meal. So I'm gonna write that down because I think that's really important. So, you want to feel nourished when you're eating. You want to feel good. You want to feel happy. You want to feel excited. You want to feel nourished. And that's obviously what but you also want to ensure that when you eat your food, you're also tasty. So now I'm throwing in some eating psychology in here because that's also not going to help you digest food better, but it's also going to help you have a better approach to eating, having a more a positive approach towards eating versus I need to eat because I'm afraid of getting acne, right? And that's kind of my thing when I started out the channel, eating foods to avoid getting acne. So a lot of times people are afraid of eating certain foods because they are afraid of getting acne or a disease or a health problem because they've had that problem in the past. So now they are afraid of getting that problem back. So, you don't want to be afraid of food. You want to love food. You want to love what you're eating, and because when you love what you're eating, you're loving your food, it's going to taste different. It's going to taste a little better, and it's going to actually have a lot of positive effects on your psychology and your metabolism, and you're going to be feeling like a brand new person. You're going to feel like a really, really good person. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is kind of a short one. I just wanted to jump on here and share you why and what the Acne Clear Chef is all about and what I'm hoping to share with you guys. For me, it's about helping others clear up their skin using real whole food recipes and showing people how to showing people how to clear up their skin, how to clear up their skin using real whole food recipes. That's pretty much the basis of the channel, showing people how to clear up their skin using real whole food recipes, and at the same time why I do what I do, I guess. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching, and I will hear from you soon. I'll see you on the other side, or I will hear from you maybe in the comments below, or I don't know, maybe you'll just skip this video and it means nothing to you. So it doesn't really matter, but I'm glad I'm getting this out there, and I'm happy you decided to tune in. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a beautiful, wonderful day.